Hi guys, it's Moz here from Moz6510 Models. On my workbench I have this Wooden.City Limited Edition Bolid racing car, which I'm going to explain a little bit about. If you saw my preview video that I put out last week, I was sharing that I've been given 4 of these kits to build, and basically they're made of wood, and the company Wooden.City are actually having a Kickstarter campaign for these models. So I'll link in the description below, and also if you look down below here, I'll put a link here of the Kickstarter. But go description and there's a link there and you can go straight to it. They've got a range, I think it's about 8 or 9 different models that they're going to be putting out there for you to buy on Kickstarter, but they are really good. This video is just going to be an unboxing of what you get in each kit, and then on a Thursday night I'm planning to build it live, so it'll be about 3 hours build. I think this one 3 hours assembly time, and we're going to build it, you know, no edits or nothing, just going to go on live. You can talk to me in the chat, you can ask questions, you can talk to others, and hopefully you'll be able to see one of these get built. And I'm going to do one every single week for the next month. So I'm going to hopefully on a Thursday I'll just start doing a live stream and build these. I think most of them are 3 hours. I think the bike, yeah, roughly around 3 hours a kit, I think it is. So hopefully we'll get through them in an evening. It may take 4 hours, but I will start and I won't stop until I finish each kit, and you can see how they build. Anyway, into the box, Wooden.City, they are laminate, they're plywood, and they've been laser cut. They've actually given me a whole script to read, so, but I'm not going to go into it. I'm just going to say that the assembly kit includes sandpaper and a wax candle, which should be used, this is the wax candle, should be used to help with sliding the wood together, and if there's any gear in it, it just keeps the gear in, gives it a little bit of lubrication sort of thing. These are limited edition. It comes with a box, and it will come with all the instructions, all the elastic bands that you need, and also you don't need to glue. This just fits together. There's no need. You can glue it, but there is no need because it should just fit together. They sent me this one as a prototype, and you can see the detail there is pretty fab. So anyway, let's have a look inside the box, which you get. It comes in. It will come with cellophane over it, which I've removed on this one because I showed it the other night. And the reason they use Bolid is because the name Formula 1 is actually trademarked. A Bolid is a non-road legal car, so like race car and stuff. So they've used that name Bolid. Look it up on Wikipedia, I'll tell you all about it there. And you get a little bit of cardboard surround, and you can attach legs to the box at the bottom, and then it becomes a display piece. You can put your display piece, your model on top, turn it around, you can put your model on top, and apparently you can buy like a plastic cover or a glass cover to go over them, so like when they're built you can keep them finished. Obviously on top you get a lid, and the lid is actually got 4 little magnets, so 1, 2, 3, 4 magnets. So if you just gently put it on, it's a magnet basically, and it puts it into square, into position. Take it off again. Inside this kit you get an instruction manual, and you get basically wooden sprues of parts. Let's just open it up. You get a bag of elastic bands, and there you go, there's the 4 feet. Okay, where's there's the other one. Oh, come on. There you go. You get your 4 little feet, which you then put in here, but we're not going to do that now. We're going to do that when I do the build. So 4 little feet, nice little compartment there. So that's where the elastic bands and the sandpaper and the wax was. So put it to one side, and basically this is what you get. It even says limited edition on there. That there is the tool that you use to push out the parts. They give you a special tool which you put your finger through, and you lever it, so you push down onto the wooden pieces. I can't see it being a problem putting them together like that, or removing the parts from these when it gets, but you can see the detail there. It's very, very nice. As you can see on their website, sorry, go to their YouTube channel because they've actually got an advert for this.
When design and engineering become art.
We'll go into that in a minute. So there you go. There's one piece for you, all particularly numbered. You can see that there's like got carbon design on it. You see the carbon sort of print. It's quite nice, and the way they cut it out here, that's because you can bend it. You can actually bend the wood into a position that you need it to be in. So there's the second one. These are the wheels, I believe. You see that? Very, very good. Even got like a branding of sport around, like the yellow line you get on a Formula 1 tyre. But yeah, looking pretty good. And finally, this piece here, which is more the chassis, and you should be able to build it with great ease. Into the instructions. It's written with 8 languages, so there's 8 languages of instructions here. So whether you're English, whether you're French, whether you're Spanish, whether you're Polish, whether you're Italian, whether you're German, whether you're Chinese, whether you're Russian, you should be able to build these kits. You know, they are a Polish company, so it's you know, they're going for the whole of Europe really, which is good. Giving you some little symbols here: approximate assembly time. Remember, spare pieces are included. So where you see this one here, that little symbol there, that's where the spare pieces are, which is quite good. So you get large rubber band, small rubber piece, and the yellow rubber band is for the rotation of the model mechanism. Install it in the picture so you can see quite clearly. And there's the tool there saying this tool is for pushing the small pieces out of the board. They may also be used for disassembly, so you can use these pieces for disassembly as well. And then so basically start off, it looks like you're making like a little clutch, I suppose, on here. I know this is a different kit altogether, but it's like some sort of like clutch sort of system. Then you're making up some axles there, pushing it all together. Just moving through, it's all carbon fibre here, so it's telling you to put little notches in. And just looking at the pieces here, tell you to wax these bits up and then pushing it through onto that axle. So it's looking quite easy to do. I'm just trying to find the part numbers. So 14, so yeah, so you've got your part numbers there and it's showing you on here where you're getting it from. So just looking what the number 18, so you get close and try and see what 18 is. So if you're doing this piece here, number 18, so you turn it over and look for number 18 on here. There you are, there's 2 18 pieces. Oh, looks like it's a bit broken, that. Oh, I wonder if that's going to make a difference. No, I think that's the piece there you need, that bit there. You can see on the picture it's just 2 little lugs. So there you go. Nice and easy. And then put an elastic band around. It looks like half elastic band. So yeah, just pushing it all in together. It's quite a simple looking kit really. There is that's the steering wheel, which piece is that on? There's a steering wheel there. That's a steering wheel. So nothing on the back, but just some nice detail there on the front. Moving on through, then you move on to your next piece, which is that one. Yeah. Remove that piece, put it there. It seems quite simple to do. I'm looking forward to building this one. So that warning there, what does that warning mean? So a quick look at the warning. What's the warning? Should remind myself. Check orientation of each piece. So you got to check the orientation. Wow, look at that, the elastic band there. Looks like you've got to be really careful with that. Yeah, moving all through, then you know you're doing the engine cover there, putting it all together bit by bit by bit. Push together until you can stop. Moving on through, there's some more bits there telling you push down until it stops, and then you get to the end and you're putting on the 4 wheels. So it looks like you force them through. The elastic band goes there into that position there, and you put a little block in. Cool. So you measure the length of the elastic band and trim it. So you want 80mm. then force them into that little groove there, put the block in, and then push all that together. Then the last piece is you turn it around and go over, so you make up with one big, so you basically fold it over to make one elastic band, like here. You see that? You saw that bit there? So you basically push it in and twist it around. Brilliant. Look at that, easy peasy. Is that the same on that wheel as well? Yeah, so you push them down and put that block in there somewhere, then spin it around and you're done. You do that with all the wheels, and it should take roughly 3 hours to do. And there's all elastic bands. You've got to get a measurement, a ruler, excuse me. You need to get a ruler, cut it to 8 centimetres, put it in, fold it round, and it's done. If you think it needs a bit trimmed off, you can trim a little bit off, but I don't think you do. Excellent. So there you go. Where's the box? Let's put it all back in the box. And then, like I say, on Thursday night, I will be putting this little kit together. This is what I like, is this, pushing that on there. There you go, just slide it on. Like, even the box has been made. Can you see that? I bet there's no glue there. I bet it's just all pushed together into a box. There's a little bit of movement there. Fantastic. These pop out, so you push them in and they pop out. There you go. And that's the box, really. And this is the one we're going to be building. And what I'll probably do is I'll do another review in a couple of days. What I'll do a review on the Tuesday and then do the build on the Thursday. What do you reckon? But I said to them that I will do it. Remember here, just at the bottom here, I'm going to put the Kickstarter link. It will be in the description where you can click it. I suggest you have a look at the YouTube. They actually do a little video about these kits. They do an aeroplane, there's a helicopter. I wish they sent me the plane, but you know, that's ungracious actually. No, I'm glad what they've given me, but they look like they've done a plane as well, which looks fantastic. Anyways, there you go. This was the Wooden.City Limited Edition Bolid scale model kit made of wood. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, then ring that bell, select all, and you'll be notified on all my latest videos. To subscribe to this channel is free. Bit of a quick one tonight, but there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.